David Ortiz with a two-run home run.
Two-run walk-off home run for David Ortiz. And Big Papi's got number 400. Home run for Big Papi.
This is for you, Boston.
David Big Papi Ortiz has played a huge role with the Red Sox, whose fan base has always been loyal.
I've been a Sox fan for quite literally as long as I can remember.
Oh, since I was born, out of the womb.
Since I was born, so about 51 years.
Whole life.
With this being the last season Ortiz will play before retirement, these diehard fans echo the same emotions.
I don't want David Ortiz to retire. Best numbers of his career.
Very sad, disappointed he's leaving. Makes me cry inside.
Very, very sad. I think he's still at the top of his game, and it's sad that it's good to go out on top, but I think he still has a couple good years left, so I would love to see him still play.
These fans still hold Ortiz in a special place in their hearts with fond memories they have of him.
It's 2013 World Series when he hit that home run over Torrey Hunter's head in the outfield. It was incredible.
The Game 6 last year.
With all these memories, the fans couldn't agree more with the newly named bridge, Big Papi, that crosses over Mass Avenue next to Fenway.
It makes sense. You know, the dude has done so much for this city, brought 3 World Series to this city, hopefully 4, so I think it's fair, very fitting.
Reporting live from Fenway, I'm Kate Bell.